Greetings everyone. This presentation is done by Professor Manjiri Joshi from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. This presentation is regarding Chapter Refurbishing and Redecoration of Third Year BSchS. Hotel renovation is a process of updating hotel property to meet the changing need of market and improving outdated, broken or damaged premises. A renovation is a conversion of an old structure into a new one within the framework. This slide explains about type of renovation. There are three types: minor renovation, major renovation, and restoration. First type is minor renovation. The scope of minor renovation is to replace or renew the non-durable furnishings and finishes within a space. This changes without any changes in physical layout. Example: replacing drapery, minor paint work, replacing carpet. Next is, major renovation is to replace or renew all furnishings and finishes, and it may include change in physical layout. Major renovation is a big step in which a hotel may be going through floor, walls, ceilings, or other places that a hotel wouldn't get a chance to be in. A major renovation may include replacement of lighting, furniture, bedding, and other accessories. Next type of renovation is restoration. In a restoration or total renovation, major elements such as lobby, elevators, complete floors, electrical systems such this are worked out. In this, rooms, other service locations are also added. Refurbishing is the process entails renovating a property, so as to give a fresh look and includes replacing furniture, fittings, and soft furnishings. This is usually carried out in every hotel once in 5 to 7 years. This depends on the budget of the hotel and also on the amount of wear and tear of the interior face. Now we will learn steps involved in refurbishment program. First step is evaluation. The physical inspection is necessary to ascertain whether such a project is really necessary. It is done by authorized person. A worksheet is prepared on the basis of the physical inspection sheet, which gives details of the areas and estimate costs of renovation. Allocation of time. The expected completion date must also be taken into consideration when estimating work and costs involved. Refurbishment program is usually conducted during periods of low occupancy. Budgeting is the stage where money is going to be made available for the project. An action plan for expenditure to be incurred in future is drawn up, which acts as a guideline in controlling the expenditure pattern. Next is thematic choice. This involves taking a decision as to whether the original theme of the area should be changed or retained. If new theme, then one should do proper research and feasibility study should be carried out to find out whether it is financially possible. Next step is design feasibility report. The project should be ergonomically sound and should meet all the practicalities of hygiene, cleanliness, and comfort. Ergonomics is the study of human capabilities and limitations in relation to work demands. Next step is decor preliminaries. Suitable fabrics, finishes, and colors should be selected. As far as possible, they should be durable, easy to clean, fire-resistant materials, and should go with ambience. Next step is staffing budget. The refurbishment program usually carried out by contractors. A cost comparison has to be made to ascertain which is more viable and also necessity, if any, to recruit new staff. Consideration of preparing new uniforms, training programs, and so on also need to be taken into consideration. Next is equipment inventory. These may need to be purchased or hired if not available on the premises. Next step, where sufficient supplies should be ordered and systems put in place to ensure reordering at the best possible purchase prices. Storage space should be set aside for the supplies as well. Next step in refurbishment program, where alternate arrangements should be made to minimize the inevitable inconveniences caused to guests, staff, and suppliers while the project is in progress. Guests should be informed that a renovation is in progress. All the company and statutory procedures to be adhered to must be enumerated and the project evaluated in light of these. They may include planning permission, fire regulations, health safety aspects, company policies, and licensing laws. Next step is control various factors such as finance, purchasing, contacts, inspection. Last step of this program where handover is taken from contractor of completed project. A detailed snag list is prepared by the housekeeping after physical inspection. Now, we will learn about redecoration. This can involve the renewal of paintwork, touch-up of furniture and accessories, renewal of soft furnishings, and spring cleaning. It is also done annually in order to maintain standard of the hotel. The executive housekeeper should ensure that a high standard of work is maintained. He should decide whether the task is to be contracted. Before the rooms are handed over to contractor, the following steps are need to be carried out. Block the room with the help of a front office. Inform the front office engineering and maintenance department of the program. Switch off air condition. Remove the certain lampshade, back covers, linen, and guest supplies from the area and store them in the floor pantry. Get telephone and television disconnected. Remove the curtains and send it for a dry cleaning. Upholstered furniture should be sent to the laundry for shampooing only if required, or it can be placed in the center of the room covered with the dust sheet. Roll up and removal carpets and send for shampooing. Seal bathtub, wash basin, and other ceramic fixtures. Cover remaining items of furniture with dust sheet. Take out all amenities and supplies. As per the snagging list, maintenance is carried out. Housekeeping department carries out cleaning at regular intervals and mark the rooms ready for a use while the decoration work is completed. This slide explains about snag list. It is normally prepared by the housekeeper during takeover of the renovated area from the contractor handling renovation or of a new property from the project team. Now we will have a look, format of snag list. In this room-wise, all work is required to be done is mentioned by housekeeper. Thank you.